Hey guys, today I'm checking out probably one of the cleanest accessories you can add to your Tesla. This is the MagBak wireless charger and phone mount designed for the updated Model 3 and Model Y. What's funny is that I was actually eyeing this product for quite some time, and I think MagBak must have read my mind because they reached out to me asking me to try it out. With this accessory, you can easily charge your phone while keeping it in line of sight while you drive. It's MagSafe-compatible, super easy to install, and honestly, it looks like it came from the factory. So if you have an iPhone with a MagSafe case, this should work well. I personally use an iPhone 13 Pro Max with a MagSafe case, and I've been curious to see how this fares in person. Let me show you how to set it up and why it might be one of my favorite Tesla accessories yet. The installation process is simple and should only take a few minutes. The first thing you'll want to do is clean the area behind the infotainment screen with the included adhesive pad. Just quickly wipe this area down to ensure the mount will stick to the adhesive as best as possible. Then, align the MagBak mount with the infotainment screen and slide it in. Press and hold firmly for a minimum of 10 seconds. After this, wait 5 minutes before placing your phone on the mount. Once the mount is secured to the screen, we'll want to run the cable along the underside of the dash, then behind the carpet trim along the floor. But since this cable isn't quite long enough, we'll want to plug in the included extension cable to one of the USB-C ports below the rear screen in the back. And you may need to adjust the driver's side seat like I did so you have enough room to work with. Then run the cable along the floor in between the driver's seat and console. Connect the extension cable to the main cable. Then tuck the cable behind the carpet trim so it stays in place. Personally, I used my floor mat to run the cable just underneath the edge of it, but I believe you can continue tucking the cable along the floor if you don't have a mat. Once you've achieved the best possible look, you can use the attached strap for some further cable management. And that should be it. Place your phone on the mount for a quick test to see if it charges, and if it does, you're good to go. Alright, so let's talk about what makes this stand out. The first one is MagSafe support. The MagBak mount works perfectly with MagSafe iPhones and MagBak cases. This is great if you already own a MagSafe case from Apple, or if you're looking to pick up one of MagBak's cases. It mounts cleanly and securely. A MagSafe-capable iPhone will also attach without a case, but it isn't nearly as strong without either of these cases. Another great feature is the line of sight placement. The mount keeps your phone right where you can see it, making it easy to unlock with Face ID without having to take your eyes off the road. I've already tried this a few times, and so far has worked perfectly. The only nitpick I do have is that the phone does obstruct the view of the infotainment screen ever so slightly, so it is something to keep in mind if you're considering this. I use a Pro Max iPhone, so it might just be the size of these phones. I also did find the exact placement a bit tricky at first, as I was fumbling with my phone's placement for the first couple of times, but this wasn't a big deal. The placement also makes it great for FaceTime or video calls. It holds your phone at the ideal angle if you're parked and need to hop on a call. Alright, so right now I have my phone mounted vertically on my mount, and this is how a video call or a video recording would look. And this is how a video call or a video recording would look horizontally. This also makes it super convenient for navigation, music, and hands-free controls. It can be a great alternative to Tesla's navigation, letting you use Google Maps or Apple Maps from your smartphone. In terms of looks, the design blends in perfectly with the Model 3 and Model Y's interior. It doesn't scream aftermarket, which I love. And despite its low profile, the magnetic grip is strong. It holds up well even on rougher roads. For me, this is one of those upgrades that's both practical and clean. It keeps my phone secure, charged, visible, and easy to reach, all while blending it in like it came with the car. If you use your phone for navigation, calls, or just want a seamless way to keep it charged, this mount is a solid pickup. I think this might especially be good for Uber and Lyft drivers. And if you don't have a Model 3 or Y, I believe you can pick up one for the Model X, S, and Cybertruck as well. So if you want to check one out for yourself, just use code Jezreel15OFF at checkout for 15% off. And that'll do it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more. And let me know what your favorite accessory is in the comments below. Alright, see you in the next one.